Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. So today we're going to install this heavy duty clamp from Insta360 on the bike here. Here's the clamp. It has, it's a little windy out here today, excuse the wind. It has a little bit of pliable, I guess, rubber type inside, so it shouldn't scratch up the handlebars. I'm going to put it right here, and it just clamps down. It does include a wrench right here. Just going to tighten it. Also includes a mount for an action camera. Includes an Allen wrench. And I'm going to assume that's to tighten it down like that. Today we're going to do a super comparison video. I bought this bracket off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Tighten it down here. Now, the cool thing about this mount is you can adjust it, fine-tune it how you need it, and then tighten it down. We have the Insta360 1 RS 1-inch. Put it right there. We have the Insta360 X4. Put it right there. And we have the Insta360 X5 that we're going to put right next to it. This is a little loose on here. That one's not. Why is that one so loose? Thread might be bottoming out. Let's try on over here. Yeah, it's wobbly. So that's interesting. The thread is a little too long here. I don't know that I can do anything about that. Actually, I can. I'll be right back. I got a washer. I didn't have the right washer. Let's try this and see if this works. It's gonna be ugly. But it works. Okay. So we have all the cameras mounted. I'll be ready for our ride.